up, YouTube? Got this 2012 Kia Optima. We're doing rear pads and rotors today. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a little bit harder than most brake jobs, and you're going to see why when we get started. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is get this caliper out of our way. 14 millimeter. Now swing the caliper up, pop it out. I'm going to lean that to the side. Now you're going to want to pay attention on this video because Kia and Hyundai decided to do some stupid crap on this bottom bolt on the bracket. You can get the top one right there. You got to take this control arm out of your way. Yeah, they outdid themselves, didn't they? So, I'm going to show you how to do that. Grab you a 19 millimeter and an open wrench. Hold the other side. Retrieve your washer and bolt. All right. Now we got to get this bolt all the way out of here. Yeah. Easier said than done, y'all. See, I'm using my finger. I'm kind of pushing out as I spin it out. Okay. Here we go. Grab your little pry bar action. Y'all pardon me for a second. Whoever worked on this bay last didn't come back and close their door, and it's freezing freaking cold. It's very windy today. Sorry about that. All right, where was we? Where were we? I can't talk today. I'm tired. This is like my 11th day in a row without a day off, so I'm feeling it. Hammer that arm down so you can get access to that bolt. Let's see if I can get my mountain wrench on it now. I try not to pop it completely out because it's hard to line up because it's kind of twisted. But I'm going to show you how to do that too. So it's a 12 millimeter on the bottom there. Alright. Go ahead and loosen the top one too. Okay. Let's see if I can get my socket on it. Just kind of spinning it on there just to catch it. I'm trying my best not to pop this arm completely out if I can help it. I don't know what these engineers were thinking on that one. They weren't thinking about the technician, I can promise you that. But most of the time they don't when they design these cars. Because they don't have to fix them. They just build them and ship them. Alright, we're off. Now we can pop our rotor off. Now generally there'll be 2 hold down screws on these rotors. The number 3 Phillips, whoever did the brake job last didn't put them back, and that's okay. It's not a crucial thing. Go ahead and slide our rotor on. You don't really have to line it up, and I don't even know why I am, unless you're putting the screws back in. It just makes installation easier so the rotor's not flopping around. But I've been doing this long enough to where that doesn't hinder me. If it does you, if you don't have those screws in yours, whoever done the brake job last, just put a lug nut on there to trap it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top bolt in first. That way we're kind of lined up. I think we're started. And I got fat fingers, so if I can get my fingers in there, most people probably can. So let's see if I can pull that same trick off. Catching the corner just enough to spin it down so I don't got to sit there with my fat fingers going numb. All right, now I give her a final snug. About the only thing I could say that's good about that, if that bolt was to loosen up, definitely ain't gonna fall out. All right. Oops, wrong way. The squealer goes on the inside. All right, let's go ahead and get that arm back in. That way the hardest part is over with. So, take your little pry bar action here and kind of pull back on it. To flex it so you get the hole lined up on where the bolt goes. Okay, that's lined up. At least on the front it is. That pad. So I'm going to take my gun here. All right. Okay, I can see it's a little bit off down there, so I'm going to want to pry back like I did on the other one. Let's see. I'm a little closer. Let's see. Oh, close. Come on, baby. Let's see if this flathead will help. There we go. All right. That is no really set way to do it, y'all. You just gotta kind of pry and pry until she lines up. Sometimes it goes quicker and easier. Sometimes it takes me a little longer. Just gotta find that right pattern. All right.
Go hard them sparks over, y'all.
Okay. Yeah, I probably should have waited to put these pads in. All that hammering vibrated this one out. I don't know if I got it on camera, but I caught it like a ninja. You develop them skills when you do this for as long as I've been doing it. Let me take some channel locks because my brake tool is over there on my box. Not worried about it. It's always alternatives. Now this is still pretty lubed up, so if you want to throw a little grease on there, high temperature grease, that's up to you. Pop it in, make sure the dust boot covers the whole slide up so it doesn't allow for contaminants like dirt, moisture to get in there. All right. I'm gonna check my top one too because you never know. And the gun just barely gets in there. Just like that, y'all. Put your wheels on, pump the pedal up nice, hard, and high. Take it for a test drive. That's how we do it. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please subscribe. Y'all check like. Have a good day. Peace.